Habang nagliligpit ako. Okay, are we ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Hi everybody! Hi Queens! Eto today, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung top 3 na kape na nagustuhan ko dito sa Cebu. Okay, while you're in Cebu, baka gusto mong itry. Yun lang. Let's go! Anong order natin?
Signature.
Signature pa rin? Yeah, kasi yun yung favorite ko lang. Or, dalawang orderin.
Isa lang.
Isa lang. So that's how we drink it. We have it and
Yung next coffee shop, nasa tapat lang talaga. Super sarap din.
okay, so basically, kino-coach niya ako kung ano sasabihin. Okay, the point is
Kita
this. Ayan, oh, yan yung TDG. This is in where? Anong?
Kasambagan.
Kasambagan. Tapat niyan ay Corner Bakery na favorite niya. Okay. Do you like my in my chubby era? You know.
Hi sir. Good afternoon.
My bakery, yes. The Corner Bakery. Okay, what's our best seller? Signature latte. Ayun. So signature latte.
Large, ma'am?
Large.
Hindi,
large.
regular lang.
Regular.
Sa regular.
Business meeting.
Ano sabi mo kanina? We are...
Brainstorming.
Hindi, may sinabi ka.
We are brainstorming right now. On what to content.
Pero may sinabi ka kanina eh.
Sinabi ko brainwashing.
Okay, so guys, nagbe-brainwashing kami ngayon. Because it's raining, so we're brainwashing some content. Hi mga kuya.
In my content creator era.
Ganyan po, pag may asawa ka 10 years younger than you, mabilis ang metabolism, mabilis matunawan. Kain agad siya. We're on our way to our third coffee kasi for me, these are the best picks na nabalik-balikan kong kape. Pero habang papunta pa lang kami dun, kinain niya na kaagad. Samantalang ako, iniisip ko pa bukas na lang magtitira ako ng isa kasi right now from our lunch, grabe parang puputok na yung tiyan ko. Kita niya? Oh gosh, as in no joke. So, yun lang ba?
Oh, may Zoom?
Oh God. Ano nga ulit yung in-order natin? Spanish latte.
Oy, memorize ni ate.
Sige. Spanish latte. Ice. Kahit na umuulan, ice pa din. How to open a straw for someone?
Baliktad.
Oh yes. And then you put that and then you keep this safe kasi may mga langaw until the person will have to unwrap it, remove it for herself or himself.
This is the third one.
So this is what I ordered, Spanish latte. I think masarap talaga sila dito sa kind na to in ice.
Ganda naman.
Really?
Alam mo, kapag tumatanda na pala tayo, mas priority na natin yung paano maging masaya. Marirealize mo na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay pag masaya ka.
Ano nakita mo sa
Proper
reels?
etiquette ng pagbukas ng mga restaurant kasama mga girls. Kasi mo, pasok.
Tapos, sunod ako.
Wala, late ka na, hindi na, wala.